Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about a basic machine learning pipeline that trains and evaluates multiple regression models, which is used to detect the pipeline leaks coming in the pipe, the water it leaks. And first, we have seen here importing a library of many files. First, we imported the pandas, which manipulates and does a data analysis, and then we use the train test split model selection importing that library, which imports the utility to split datasets into training and testing sets. Then we go to the linear regression. Linear regression, which is used to do a simple linear model to creating, and a decision tree regressor, a simple decision tree, and a gradient boosting. A gradient boosting means combining the several weak predictors lead you to give the best predictors. We then imported a MLP regressor, which means a network based regression model, a neural network based regression model. And then we gone through the matrices like mean squared error, mean absolute error. Mean squared error is used for evaluating the model performance, and also the mean absolute error. We then imported the label encoder, which is used to convert the categorical label into the numerical values. Then we now came to import the dataset as we seen here with the name of sample dataset underscore 1000 underscore rows.csv. We then printed the data, so we can see our dataset here, and we came through this part, the fourth line. Here we create a new feature called page squared by squaring the values in the page column, because it reduces the error and the string column and the numerical column, all that works. And this sensor reading normalized, which is used for dividing the sensor reading by diameter, which helps in the creating the model. And the important part we come through here is the x and y variable. For x variable, select specific features, that is columns, as input variables for training, then storing that x variable. And the another target variable, the y, is used for selecting the target variable that we need to find. And then we came through here the part, that is if condition, which is used for encoding the model, that we used a label encoder. We can see here the label encoder classes. We then come through the testing and training, testing, splitting. Here we split the x and y axis into train and test sets. Here training sets of we given a size of 0.8, that is alternate to the test size, that is 0.2. Then we created several models like linear regression, decision tree, gradient boosting, neural network, that we imported before in the starting stage, and each will be imported like linear regression, decision tree regressor, gradient boosting regressor, MLP regressor. The parameters are specified here. We then came through the for loop, where we do the performance matrix analysis, that is a root mean square error and mean absolute error, to find the overall performance of the model. Here we hydrate each model, that is the train on x train and y train. We then predict using the y test and x test values and calculating the root mean square and the root mean absolute error. Then we print the final as output. We then come to the final one, that is selecting the best model. We used the mean function to find the best, and the parameters are key, mean square error of y test model.predict squared false, which means this is the parameters we used to find the best model to predict the model. Here the min is used to compare the root mean square error for all models. We then print the name of the best performing model in the final, as we see here, where we found that gradient boosting is the best model to be used. This is what we see in this video to find the water leakage regression using the ML model. Thank you.